How to log out of all devices on Brawl Stars. The first things first is a login to your main account, which is going to be your Supercell ID on Brawl Stars. Now, once you have successfully logged in, all you just have to do is to go to your user settings, which is going to be located at the top right corner of your screen, which is going to be the three lines right here. So simply tap on that. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see Supercell ID option. As you can see, there is actually an arrow pointing right and as well as an arrow pointing left, which means if you tap on that, you will automatically or you will easily switch between accounts from your Brawl Stars Supercell ID. Now, for you to be able to log out of all devices, it's tap on Supercell ID, and once you're here, just simply tap on the gear icon, scroll all the way down, and this is gonna be all your user settings or all your user IDs that is currently linked with your Supercell account. For you to be able to log out of all devices, just simply tap on log out and tap on log out once again. So that's it. That's how you will log out of all devices on Brawl Stars.